The 25 most common mistakes made by English learners. There are a lot of mistakes made by English learners who speak Spanish. In this video, I'm trying to present the 25 most common of them. First, articles. One of the most common mistakes is performed with the use of articles. The is used to enumerate things which are actually known for the writer as well as for the reader, while a and an are generally used when those things are unknown for both of them. Besides, n is used before a vowel sound, even if in writing there is a consonant grapheme. Example, an hour, a horse. Collective nouns are often a matter of mistakes. First, there are singular nouns that function as a single unit. For example, the noun people in Spanish is singular, while in English is plural. English learners often write sentences like people is watching television. The correct form will be people are watching television. Third, good and well are also misunderstood several times. Good is an adjective, but well is an adverb. The class is good but not well. The class goes well but not good. 4. Other mistakes may appear when using prepositions, especially in, on, and at. According to Karin Sylvester, in English, in is used both for closed space and periods of time. At is used for a specific time or place, and on is used to describe the surface something is on or a day. Here are some examples. Incorrect. He rides in a cycle. The correct will be he rides on a cycle. Incorrect. He rides on a car. The correct form will be he rides in a car. 5. In English, the subject is always necessary. Sometimes it is omitted by learners who forget these rules. 6. In some languages like Japanese and Turkish, there are not two different words to distinguish between third person singular, female and male. In English, there are two words, he and she, and sometimes we use it in the wrong way. 7. Adding an s to the third person is another common mistake, or we often tend to add it to other pronouns. Using this s is confusing for people who learn English because there is a set of rules to use it. Example, see, sees, teach, teaches, walk, walks, ate. With relative pronouns, we can also perform some mistakes. We use that and which when we refer to things, and we use who to refer to people. The man which works here is from India. And the correct form will be the man who works here is from India. Modal verbs like must and can never use the preposition to when the following verb is in infinitive form. However, we use the form have to. I must to call him, I must call him. I can to drive, I can drive. I have to clean my house. 10. To express age in Spanish, we use the verb to have. That is why in English there is a big mistake when we want to express that, because we tend to use the verb to have. I have 20 years old. The correct will be I'm 20 years old. 11. In Spanish, when we express proximity, we use the words cerca a. That is why in English we say the library is near to here, but that is incorrect. The correct will be the library is near here. Now I'm going to enumerate some mistakes with vocabulary. There is the correct form and then the incorrect form. 12. I have important news and not I have an important notice. Next, a prescription from the doctor and not a receipt from the doctor. 14. Sensible means sensato in Spanish and not sensible. 15. Today the weather is sunny and not today the time is sunny. 16. I missed the bus and not I lost the bus. 17. I made a mistake and not I did a mistake. 18. You ask a question and not make a question. 19. The temperature is 30 degrees and not 30 grades. 20. I earn a lot of money in my job and not I win a lot of money. 21. There is a bank holiday soon and not there is a bridge soon. 22. I speak 2 languages and not I speak 2 idioms. 23. My marks at school are good and not my notes at school are good. I attend class and not I assist class. 25. I have little free time and not I have few free time. Taking into account these 25 most common mistakes in English will help you improve your grammar skills. Thank you very much.